Good morning, students. Let us continue with your chapter number 10, Vector Algebra. Today we will discuss the topic vector or cross product of two vectors. So, first we will discuss the definition, students. Definition of cross product of the two vectors. This cross product of the two vectors is denoted by, if we having students vector A and vector B, then this is denoted by vector A cross vector B, and this is written as A cross B, that is equal to magnitude of the vector A, magnitude of the vector B, sine theta, n unit vector. N unit vector I have shown in the figure. So here 0 is less or equal to theta is less or equal to pi. Now students, here I want to tell you about this unit vector. Unit vector is a vector which is perpendicular to both the vector A and vector B, such that the vector A comma vector B and the unit vector form a right-handed system. That is, right-handed system rotated from A to B moves in the direction of unit vector n. Therefore, either this vector A is equal to 0 or vector B is equal to 0, then theta is not defined. In that case, the cross product of the two vector A and vector B, that will come as equal to 0. Now here are some very important observations. There are some observations. We have to keep these observations in our mind while we will discuss the exercise questions. So let us see. First observation is that, remember students, A cross B is a vector. Number 2 is, if A cross B that is equal to 0, this A cross B is equal to 0 if and only if the vector A and vector B are parallel or collinear to each other. Right students? Therefore, what you can say, A cross B that is equal to 0, this implies that these vectors are, vector A is parallel to vector B. Remember students, third observation is, when theta is equal to pi by 2, then remember, if theta is equal to pi by 2, then students remember that A cross B that will come as equal to magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B. Because you know, while sine theta is pi by 2, sine pi by 2, that will come as equal to 1 here. So that is why this will come as equal to magnitude of vector A and magnitude of vector B. Fourth observation is, remember students, for the mutually perpendicular unit vectors I cap, j cap and k cap, I into I, that is equal to j cap into j cap, this is equal to k cap into k cap, that is always equal to 0 here, and I cap into j cap, that is equal to k cap, and j cap into k cap, that is equal to I cap, and students, third one is k cap into I cap, that will come as equal to j cap. These are the some points that I have written here. That is very, very important students. You have to keep this point in your mind. Some more points are also there. That is, you have to keep in your mind students. The fifth point is there. Remember students, this j cap cross I cap, that is equal to minus k cap, k cap cross j cap, that is equal to I cap, or I cap into k cap, remember student, this is equal to minus j cap. So these are the 5 observations that I have told you. we will make the use of this observation in the exercise questions. आइए देखते हैं बच्चों हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल. अगर हमारे पास दो वेक्टर्स दिए गए हैं एडजेसेंट वेक्टर्स, वेक्टर ए एंड वेक्टर बी are the two adjacent vectors of the side of the triangle, then the area of the triangle will be written as 1 by 2 into a cross b. Here is small b, students, and its magnitude. Now next one is, that is the area of the parallelogram. If a and b represent the, here again a and b represent the adjacent sides of the parallelogram, then the area of the parallelogram will be given as a cross b and their magnitude. This is the way to find out the area, and that is the way, students, by which we can find out the area of the triangle. Now students, here is the exercise 10.4. its question number 1 is, we have to find out the magnitude of a cross b vector, where a vector is given to you as I minus 7j plus 7k, vector b that is given as 3i cap minus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Right students, we have to find out the magnitude of a and b. First we will find out a cross b, and a cross b will come as equal to I, this is j, this is k. Right students, this is cap is there, so this is 1 minus 7 and 7. This is 3 minus 2 and 2. We will make the use of determinants here to solve it. So I cap will come as 7 2s are 14, and this is of plus 14, minus j cap is no, 2 1 is 2, and this is 7 3s are 21. Then here is k cap, this is of minus 2 and plus 21. Now student, this will come as equal to 0 I cap, here is a plus 19 j cap, and here it is 19 k cap. Now we have to find out the magnitude of this. So magnitude of a cross b, that will come as equal to 0 square plus 19 square plus 19 square, its square root, and this will come as equal to, 19 square is 361 plus 361, so this will come as equal to 722, its root, students. So therefore we can say that the magnitude of the cross product of two vectors, vector a and vector b, that will come as equal to square root of 721. Now let us come with question number 2. So in this question, students, first of all we will add these two vectors. On adding, we will get 4 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 0 k cap, and then after that vector a minus vector b, this is equal to, now we will subtract them, and we will get 2 I cap plus 4 k cap. Right now vector a plus vector b, cross product with vector a minus vector b, this will come as equal to I cap j cap k cap, and here it is now 440204. Now students, this I cap, that will come as 4 4 are 16 minus 0 minus j cap, this is 4 4s are 16 plus k cap, now this is here it is 0 minus 4 2s are 8, so it will come as 16 I cap minus 16 j cap and minus 8 k cap. Right students, now we will find out its magnitude. Its magnitude is, what you will get, this is equal to 16 its square plus 16 its square plus 8 its square, there is minus 8 its square having square root. 256 and 8 8s are 64, and this will come as 576, its root is 24. Right, students? So therefore, what you will say now? You will say required unit vector that will come as equal to plus minus 1 by 24 and 16 I cap minus 16 j cap, and here it is minus 8 k cap. So that will be the unit vector, student. That is the solution of this question, right?